Whenever you're working with wordpress.com and you host site with it, wordpress.com simply has your data. And in order to protect the data according to how you want, you can change around the privacy settings in wordpress.com as well. So over here, I'm logged into my WordPress account. So to access out the privacy settings, I'm going to go around onto my profile right here and then click on my profile right here. So once I go ahead and do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that privacy is an option. So here you can see that there's uses information, like it says we are committed to your privacy and security, and you can read the privacy policy on what data they are taking from you. So here it says share information with our analytics tool about your use of services while logged in as well. So by default, this is turned on, but you can simply go ahead and turn this off as well and save it out so that whatever use the data is not actually shared with WordPress.com right here. You can also re-enable it out as well, and that does help WordPress to improve how everything is actually provided as well. So you can do this according to how you want. You can also go around and get data processing addendum right here. So you want to know like which websites and companies to assure customers, vendors, and partners like how the data is being handled by the law. You can simply go ahead and request out a DP as well. And then what happens is that it says request is successful, and the DPA will be mailed to you with detail in your email as well. And that is how you can change around the privacy settings as you like inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.